Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And somebody contacted me off my video and asked me if the block shadow could be done in older versions manually. I don't know really when it started, but it wasn't. I looked back and it wasn't on 6 or 7, and I never had 8, and I was doing it with CorelDraw 2018. And yes, you can do it manually. Let's just take our text. And if you didn't watch my video, the block shadow is right here. But if you do not have it in older versions, all you have to do is Control D and make a duplicate of that object. And then left click your mouse gray. And then let's just shift this a little bit. And let's put that to the back of the page. And I've got a hotkey for that. But if you don't, just go to Arrange and go to Order and put back of page. And that's exactly the same thing. It's pretty cool. And then you could left click your shadow and give it a outline. And then you can make it whatever thickness you wanted. And there you go. And it'd be the same thing in the video that I showed before. You could actually, you have to click on it and left click. And then you could individually fill in the shadows and move them out of the way when you wanted to do engraving like I suggested in the previous video. And if you don't know what I'm talking about there, please watch the part 1 of this block shadow video. And it's pretty cool. I'm just going to do the letters real quick and I'll just show you what I'm talking about. I'm just filling in the part that's a block shadow. And a couple more here and we'll be done. And then you could take your regular one and move it out of the way and you just have your shadow. And then you could engrave that separately. But pay attention to the other video, it's a little bit more information. But that's how you would use the block shadow in older versions. And I thank that viewer for asking that question. That's a very good question. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.